Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michels. I'm the new ophthalmologist joining Fraser. I specialize in pediatric ophthalmology, strabismus, and cataract surgery. I'm originally from the Cleveland area. I moved to Evanston to complete undergrad at Northwestern University, moved to downtown Chicago to complete my medicine training at Northwestern University, fell in love with ophthalmology there, and completed my residency also at Northwestern University and my fellowship at the pediatric hospital affiliated with Northwestern as well. So what really drew me to the field of ophthalmology, I started medical school very open-minded and liking a lot of different things, but I was paired with a mentor early on who happened to be an ophthalmologist and told me to try it out. I did a quick rotation in ophthalmology and quickly fell in love. I enjoyed the hands-on physical exam, the ability to be in clinic, but also perform surgical procedures. I was really wowed by the, microscopic intraocular surgery and sometimes using both hands and feet during surgery. I also knew I wanted to be in a field where I could have longitudinal relationships with patients. I think ophthalmology, and specifically my position where I'm taking care of pediatric patients from newborns up to elderly patients, is really well suited for having these longitudinal relationships. One of my favorite things about ophthalmology and what I do is being able to help patients with strabismus. There are a lot of adult patients that have had an eye that wanders or crosses for a long time, and because not a lot of ophthalmologists specialize in strabismus, they maybe didn't realize that it could be fixed, and it's really great seeing them after surgery, being able to look in the mirror with two straight eyes. It's very emotional, and oftentimes patients will cry because they're so happy to see this change. In my free time, I like staying active. I do a lot of Pilates, yoga. I also enjoy dancing. I danced growing up, and I like to kind of maintain that with sometimes partner dancing with my husband, doing some salsa classes. I also really like to be out on any body of water and be swimming in a lake or doing water sports. And then finally, I love music, so I'm always playing music. I love going to concerts and live music, and I like making playlists for different events that my friends and families are hosting. Sneakers, a little more comfortable, and you can do more with them. I would say travel. I tend to want to stay at home sometimes, but for the most part, I want to be out and about and see new things. I'd say city. I lived in Chicago for 12 years, and I love going to new restaurants and places like that. I'd say fall because my birthday lands in fall, and I love Halloween and scary movies and haunted houses, things like that. Tacos, I think, for the general vibes and the good pairing with margaritas. I would love to instantly learn languages. I think that would be really, really cool. I have a hard time learning new languages, and I think it'd be so nice to connect with people in their native language easily.